Today is Sunday, September 1st. This is Keith Sterling's 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, and I've installed the clock that I had rebuilt back in July. And we can see the incremental movement of the second hand. I can hear the tick, tick, tick sound, which may not be coming across on this video. It's a little bit tricky to install and get the fitment back in place correct with the crease line, but it's perfectly installed, and there is the fully restored Keith Sterling clock for his original 1970 Eldorado with 47,571 miles. Okay, we've done several things, including rebuilding the engine and transmission on this car, the tilt and telescopic steering column for the ignition system, and the clock has been restored, and this will be shipping back to Seattle, Washington to Keith hopefully tomorrow, September 2nd. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have 370,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source items such as the original movement general time clocks for General Motors Cadillac. Today is Sunday, September 1st. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.